Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat camera blurry problem. Alright, let's begin. First, open Snapchat. If your camera is blurry, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then, press the gear icon in the top right to access settings. Scroll down to the privacy controls section and tap on Clear Data. From there, choose the last option called Clear Cache. Tap it and confirm by pressing Clear. This helps fix bugs or temporary issues. Once done, tap OK and Snapchat will automatically restart. After the app restarts, check if the problem is fixed. If it's still blurry, close Snapchat completely and go to your app store. Use the search bar to find Snapchat. If you see an update button, it means you're using an older version of the app. Older versions might have bugs affecting the camera or filters. To fix this, simply update the app to the latest version. The newest updates from the Snapchat team often include fixes for camera-related bugs. Once updated, open Snapchat again and test the camera. So that's basically how you can fix Snapchat camera blurry problem. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!